Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Todd. Sassy's inside. It is the first weekend, full weekend in 2022. Happy New Year, guys. So if you guys didn't notice, we've been out of town for a while. We went to Phoenix to see family. We were going to even go to Cloudcroft and see James at Mad Jack's, and then work our way around to Flagstaff, Arizona for New Year's. Well, plans got changed, guys, and I won't go into it here. If you want to go check out our other channel, 3 Days Away, I got a 3-part series of our little road trip. We try to get out of town every holiday season. The Southwest United States is a great place to take road trips in the wintertime. You know, if you're equipped for it and stuff, and we had a nice truck, and so we made it happen. Brought our dogs and everything, so it was kind of cool. So what's really unfortunate is after New Year's on the way back, me and Deb got sick, got the heebie-jeebies, I don't know if that's the right word, the big C, if you want to, for lack of better terms. So it really kind of put our damper on the new year a little bit. But we're feeling fine now. It's just like a bad cold to us, and it's not too bad. But luckily I got a great employer who understands, and you know, I don't want to go to work and get other people sick. So, and folks, I hope you can hear me fine. It's a little windy here today. In this part of California, we've got some mild Santa Anas coming up right now. If you guys aren't familiar with that term, Santa Ana winds. Get warm winds out of the east, hitting the valleys and the coastal areas. Rising the temperature, it's probably going to get about 75 degrees today. And first week of January, that's amazing for this part of California. Maybe not too amazing. We're used to mild temperatures here. So we've got a lot of good cooks planned for you guys. And one of the cookers that I've been neglecting is, of course, the Yoder Loaded Wichita. Guys, I haven't touched that thing in months. Now, for a lot of you folks in parts of the country, you know, you have to put some of your cookers up for the winter. I don't have that excuse here in California. I should be able to cook year-round on that thing. So let's just crack it up to lazy. Also, our pool project, which I've also put up for the winter. Yeah, I covered it. I built this deck. Really excited about having a pool. We even have an above-ground heater. And so, call it neglect because I got a new toy, but now it's back to getting into the smoking game again. So what I'm going to show you is what that Yoder looks like after at least 4 months of never being uncovered and used, maybe even 5 months. And I've kept this tarp on it. It has developed a few little holes here from other places. Smoke stack kind of poked through a little bit. Got a few critters taking residence, you know, some cobwebs and stuff. But all in all, you know, I think it's probably done really well. I'm going to uncover it here and show you what it looks like. All right, let's see here. I keep a few of these clamps on here, and I don't want to break them. Let's see. Let's get some of those clamps off. Keep one back here. You guys, this part of California, we definitely get black widows, and so I don't want to get bit, so I use gloves. And let's see, any other clamps here. I think that's about it. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get this off. Okay, first look. Yeah, a little gnarly, you know. Now I coat this with cooking oil, vegetable oil, prior to a good cook, and when I put it away, it's usually still has that protective coat. Now this went through a lot of heavy rain and a lot of moisture on the ground and whatnot. Kind of see on that drain pipe a little bit of rust, but overall it's held up pretty good. It's not the wettest of environments here in this part of California, central coastal California. But we've had exceptionally large amounts of rain this season. So I like to let all the critters get running away before I pull this off too far, you know. Guys, if you've never been stung by a black widow, I don't think you want to be. There we go. Alright. Oh, I have another clamp here I didn't know about. Nope. All right. Not bad. You know, this is all kind of just surface stuff. There's nothing bad about this at all, guys. This is going to clean up just fine. Let's check out what's in the smoke box. Okay, not bad. I did dust it out before I put it up. Last time I used it, ash, it could be really corrosive, guys. So you want to, before you put it up for storage, always kick out that ash. But not bad. A few cobwebs. Not bad at all. All right, guys, let's see how the cook chamber is fared. Whoa! Check this out, guys. Guys, I'm so excited to bring you these Grillaholics barbecue and outdoor cooking products for you. 20% off, guys. I'm going to leave a link down in the description for 20% off, guys. That is amazing. Where else are you going to get 20% off, guys? Some great, well-made, beautiful-looking barbecue products. Guys, go check it out. You know, you don't want to go down to the store right now, so it's really easy to order online. I'm going to drop a link down in the description for these products. Guys, go check it out. So guys, I'm definitely going to be needing some of the super clean degreaser to bring this Yoder back to life, and be watching for a quick clean video on that. And guys, I don't care who is telling you, but don't believe the hype that leaving all that grease in your smoker is somehow going to improve the taste of barbecue. That is false, guys, unless you like the taste of pork on your brisket or fish on your, you know, pulled pork or chicken. That is false, guys. Keep that Yoder smoker, whatever it is that you have, Pit Boss, you name it, keep it scraped down, keep it clean, guys. You're gonna have a much better tasting experience. All right, guys, back to showing you the Yoder after 4 or 5 months of storage, guys. So I've taken out the top, great, really handy to have. I also keep my water pan in there and an ash rake for the firebox, and anything else, you know, after you put up a smoker, you know, it's good to keep those tools in your cooker. So I really like how the Yoder Loaded Wichita has these 2-piece bottom grates. You know, slide one out very easily, easy to store, easy to handle. But as you can see, they are grimy. Definitely going to get it clean there. Now, the tuning plate, temperature control plate, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, guys. A lot of people have different varying opinions on these, but basically with the smoke box or the firebox right there, see how it's got the top feeder where it comes in the top there. This basically shields your cooking area from direct line of sight with that fire. And the theory is these little holes get larger, and that's 1/4-inch steel, by the way, guys. Progressively, as your flow goes this way toward the stack up there, okay, it's supposed to even out the cook. You know, a lot of people have cut these and welded them in permanently and got rid of the tuning plate and done different things and stuff like that. But as you can see, you know, it definitely serves as a purpose of collecting junk right there. I apologize, guys. I got a bunch of birds roosting in this bougainvillea right here by me. Future project, guys, I am going to be working with a cousin of mine to weld on a collector plenum at the end of this thing right here, and then increasing the stack diameter by about 25 to 35% to attempt to get better airflow through this. And because I really don't like how, you know, it exits at the top here. So what's going to happen is you're going to end up getting vortices here and smoke, maybe even backtracking and whatnot before it actually finally gets up to the top there. I don't like that. So my goal is to actually get rid of this tuning plate, maybe slice off the last 10% of it to weld it there, and then use a collector that comes, exits and collects even with the cooking surface, right? Hope you guys understand what I'm getting at here. If you've seen the Franklin's pits and a few other manufacturers out there, even Fat Stack Smokers has got a model. They're all going with these collectors and large exhaust stacks. And it's really something that, well, just a lot of manufacturers aren't doing because it costs more money. So in the interest of improving my barbecue game, I'm going to give this a shot too, so I'll be looking for that video. So guys, I'm probably going to enlist the help of Super Clean to help me get that Yoder Loaded Wichita a little bit cleaner and in shape for this year's grilling season, smoking season. I think my first cooking with this thing after cleanup will probably be some pork butts, pulled pork, or maybe even a small brisket or something. So anyway guys, hey, thanks for watching guys. Be sure to give us a thumbs up guys. We're trying to hook you guys up, so we hope you would hook us up a little bit too. There's only about 25% of you guys watching the videos that are subscribers guys, so the rest of you, please subscribe. That's all I ask, and happy barbecuing.